My name is Nolan Berg and I'm with Peterson Farms Seed and I'm the Precision Systems Specialist here. Today I'm going to kind of run through the new SOILSCAN from 360 Yield Center, and we're kind of excited to use it on our farm this year. It's a new tool and it's going to allow us to be able to do some in-season, in-field nitrate testing. So today I'm just going to explain how quickly it works, give you a step-by-step, and then show you how we're going to utilize it on Carl's own acres here. Okay, so as you can see, the SOILSCAN is controlled completely by an iPad. It gives you really good step-by-step instructions on what to do. So the first step is to put 2 level scoops of soil into the cup. So then you place the cup into the mixing chamber and then go mix soil. So now it's going to drop a known amount of water into the soil, and then it's going to start mixing it. And while the soil is mixing, there's also the sensors on this side, and it's actually calibrating itself, and it's a known amount of nitrogen in that solution. And as you can see, while the cup was mixing, you could see you can put in your sample name, number, you can type in its latitude and longitude for location, and that'll all be logged while it's being sampled. So then the next step is to remove the soil solution, which is mixed with water, and put it underneath the nitrogen sensor. And then just hit start reading. Now it's done and you got your reading of 12 parts per million. If you didn't fill out your information before, you can continue to fill that out. And you can either hit done for the day or you can do another sample and it'll just keep going and keep logging your information. So as you can see, the sampling itself is really quick. It's a good way to be able to get your nitrate testing in the field in season right now. The way we're going to use it on Carl's farm, we're going to use for research, and then also his own acres, we're going to, he initially fertilized for about 130 bushel corn instead of traditionally he would fertilize all up front for about 150, 160 bushel corn. And this year we dropped that down to about 130 bushel corn, and we're going to wait through the season and kind of see what kind of rain events we get, what kind of temperature we handle. And we're also going to use 360 Yield Center's Commander, which is an online software tool that will kind of analyze how much nitrogen is left in that soil. And we're going to use that together with the SOILSCAN to build our recommendation of how much nitrogen we're going to put on later in the season. And the way we're going to do that is use 360 Yield Center's Y-Drop. And it's a way to side dress using your self-propelled sprayer. And it's actually a liquid fertilizer that's dropped down and it's applied between the rows of your corn. So we're pretty excited here at Carl's farm to use it. I'm also doing some research using just different rates of fertilizer, doing strip trials. And we're going to use this and along with the Commander software to kind of see what we learned from it this summer.